Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Before I go and get my walk-in, I wanted to show y'all how I'm gonna put together this chicken. I'm gonna bake this chicken. Let me just show y'all what I'm doing. I have boneless, skinless chicken breast, okay? Into into this dish, I'm gonna add 1 egg to make a dredge for the chicken so that the spices and Parmesan cheese and the panko will stick to it. I'm gonna just kind of scramble that a little bit. Now remember, I'm trying to follow the Well Watcher plan. So egg is 0 points. So is this Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. And I have about 1/4 cup in here left. So I'm gonna put that into the egg mixture, add it to my dredge. Now, okay, let me mix that up just a little bit. The 1 egg and the plain Greek yogurt. I'm gonna add 1 more egg to this, y'all. It just needs to be a little bit thinner than that. So 2 eggs and about 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Now, excuse me, to my dry dredge, I went outside and pulled some basil that I rinsed off and a little bit of oregano. I kind of scalped my oregano for the for the spaghetti sauce, so I didn't have a lot. I'm just gonna give this a little trim best I can. Any way you can add back flavor to the chicken. Chicken takes on the flavor that you use in it, okay? So, you know, put whatever you like in it. Let's see if I can do this pretty simply. Smells great as you cut this basil up. Let me roll these up a little bit. There we go. Now, to this, I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, which I will have to count for as far as points go. I'm gonna finish this off. I had just a little bit of the shake cheese, the shake kind. And then I have a bag of Parmesan I'm gonna add to the dry dredge. Like I said, about 1/2 cup. Okay, now I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of panko, or maybe more like 1/2 cup, which I'll have to count that as well. But the chicken's free. I'm gonna add some everyday all-purpose seasoning, which is on my website, the recipe. Just a great mix, about 2 tablespoons, of a dry spice. Okay, so I'm gonna take this chicken and I am going to, before I take this chicken, let me make me an assembly line here. I'm going to spray my dish that the chicken's going in lightly. Now, okay, let me mix this up a little bit, the dry dredge. And then I'm gonna take my chicken breasts, I'm gonna dredge them in this. And then I'm gonna dredge them in this dry mixture of panko, some spices, some Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna lay them in my dish. I'm gonna do 4 of these. These are big chicken breasts. You could dredge this in whatever you like. You know, with well watchers, Weight Watchers, you have to make a plan so that you don't overdo your points for the day. So I'll go ahead and put this into my app for the points for my dinner meal, and then I'll work around that for my breakfast and lunch meal today. Last one, I'm gonna take those other breasts and freeze them. Get it coated real good and lay it in the pan. And then with the rest of this, I'm just gonna sprinkle over the top of this chicken. And I'll probably do a pasta side with this and a salad, or maybe some Brussels sprouts. And there you have it. I don't know what to call this. Let's call it Parmesan baked chicken. How about that? That's what I'm gonna be serving in my kitchen tonight. There it is. If you can't see, you can scroll the comments to the right and rewatch this video as many times as you want. And you can do your chicken like that. So that's what I'm gonna serve. I'm gonna bake that on 400, probably covered for 20 minutes and then uncovered for 20 until the chicken's done. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see y'all later for dinner. Bye.